This is Kellen with Mountains of Sound. I'm up here on a roof in Shelton. I wanted to show you guys a couple things here on the roof. So just looking down at the roof, you can see like these shiny spots. These are the fibers that are kind of showing through in the shingles there. You can see those fibers where granules have washed away, so you can really get to the base of some of these shingles. And you can just see the splotchiness of all the shingles here. All the granules are starting to get washed away. So this is a sign that the roof is getting near the end of its life. So it's a good idea to start planning for a new roof in this scenario here. So this is another good reason as to why to get a home inspection, just so things like this are caught, because roof's definitely one of the more expensive parts of a home inspection. All right, and thank you for watching. Again, this is Kellen with Mountains of Sound.